Hi, I think most of you know that it's important to try and use holistic therapies before drug therapy if possible. According to the Centers for Education and Research on Therapeutics, there are over 2 million serious adverse reactions to medications and approximately 100,000 deaths per year. Now, if you compare that to serious adverse effects from supplements, for example, or deaths from supplements, there's no comparison. Normally, in a given year, you can find the amount of deaths from supplements you can count on one or two hands compared to 100,000 people. In a lot of those cases, you'll find actually it's children getting iron supplements or even prescription iron from their parents' medicine cabinet. So something that shouldn't have happened anyhow. So obviously when drugs need to be used, as we do sometimes in our clinic, then they need to be used. Now for people who need to be on medications for various reasons, maybe you have a serious infection, need antibiotics, you can still get even better results using natural approaches. You could use natural immune boosters, for example, while you're on antibiotics. You should also be taking probiotics to replenish the good bacteria that's being destroyed by the antibiotics. So there's things you do to be even more effective against infections using holistic therapies and things you can do to protect yourself. How about people on statin drugs? Now, I find most people on statin drugs, a lot of them really don't need to be on them. But for the people that want to be on them or do need to be on them, you should be protecting yourself against deficiencies like coenzyme Q10, vitamin D, for example, liver supplementation to support liver and kidney function. So there's always things that you can do. Some people have serious pain problems. And so when we get them on holistic therapies, maybe using cold laser, chiropractic, osteopathic acupuncture, maybe using natural anti-inflammatories, natural pain supplements like high doses of turmeric extract, MSM, or CBD extract. Quite often times for people on chronic pain medication, by incorporating these therapies, you're able to wean off, taper down on those pain medications with the help of a doctor and transfer over to more natural treatment. And in people with mild to moderate pain problems, quite often we can just treat those with natural solutions only. So there's always ways to use holistic therapies, either by themselves or in combination with pharmaceutical medications, whatever's going to help the patient the best and in the most safe fashion. I hope you found that helpful.